Here I have the brackets handle assembly, and I've got the crank handle on the axle. I've got a washer on the end so that the axle doesn't slide through the holes in the middle of the brackets. And I've got the spool on the axle. Now I've created a loop, a small loop at the end of the string, and I'm gonna take the string and attach it to the hook that is on the spool. And then you can go ahead and turn the crank handle so that the string winds around the spool. Now I've got a little bit of tension on the string so that it winds around easily. If there's not enough tension, then the string will flop around onto the axle. And to unwind it, you can either turn it backwards or you can just pull the string. Now, if you have any more questions about how this attaches, please go ahead and contact me at help@brackets.com.